We'll start the removal from this side to pry the black plastic.
Then you have to push a little bit the panel over there, and now you could remove the whole assembly.
One more time I want to point out the importance of pushing this trim in first, because it overlaps right here. It goes on top of the plastic, that's why it may not come out easy. So before you guys remove it, simply press here and get this piece of trim free. Now we can disconnect this connector. This provides power to our ambient LED lighting. You may want to use a small knife or flat screwdriver to open it up like this, and then you can take it out. And again guys, this is how our LED element looks like, and in order to disconnect and remove it, this is a procedure that you have to do. And this is a part number for the trim piece which we just removed. This LED was located right here. The way it works, there's only one small LED element right here which you can see, and it provides light through this glass tube, as you can see, which later goes and supplies the lighting for the whole LED element. Now we need to remove two bolts that hold the plastic trim around the instrument panel. You will need to use the Torx bit for this one. The bit is TX25. After the bolts have been removed, now you can pull the trim towards yourself. Side by side, top and bottom. This gives us access to the second small piece of trim, which you can remove using your fingers only. And behind this small trim piece there'll be another bolt which we need to remove. We'll use the same Torx bit. And one more bolt or screw on this side. Now we can remove the head unit together with the vents. And on the inside we got a couple of connectors. Besides two screws, we've got 4 clips that hold it in place, and right here we've got the part number for the head unit, and as we said, 2 connectors. I'll show you how it looks underneath. We've got the LVDS connector, we've got the power connector, again our air vents, and behind it There is actually not that much space, mainly because of the air vents, which also share this space with the head unit.